Hey crafty friends, it's Danny. Welcome back to camp. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create these little sequin pockets. And I made these with the intention that the person that receives them would be able to mix together all of the sequins in here to create their own sequin mix, or they could just chop off the ends and just use the individual colored sequins. So I have a whole bunch here. Each one is different. However, they both do have this really pretty pink star sequin mix and then these holographic ones, which are super dulled down. I'll show you guys later. It's ridiculous. So let me go ahead and show you guys how easy these are to make. So my final little packets measure, what do they measure? 8.5 by 2 3/4 wide. So to accomplish that, all I did, no math, is I took one of the sheets of the 8.5 by 11, like translucent vellum paper I have, and I just cut it in half, and then I ended up with a sheet like this, and then I just folded this in half lengthwise, like so, and then you'll end up with a pocket like this. And then you're going to start sewing. To begin sewing, I start on either end. So I will sew one end closed, and then I will sew the other. And then I will kind of be able to see then really easily where my midline is, and I will go ahead and sew that closed as well. Now I'll have 3 sewn lines, so then all that's left to do is sew a line halfway in between each of those two. And so I'll end up with 5 sewn lines, but I'll have space for 4 different sequin options, if that makes sense. Once you have your 4 little areas for your different sequins, you're gonna go ahead and start filling those up. Now I chose a holographic star sequin mix and a pink star sequin mix, and then a couple of others that I thought would go really well with the Crate Paper All Heart collection. And once you've got all of your sequins in their little spots, then you're just very carefully, very carefully gonna sew the whole thing closed along the other long end. I don't think I mentioned earlier, I also do like to sew the folded edge too, just for like a more consistent look, but if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. It's totally fine. It's just a me thing. At this point, you have your finished little sequin packet. I think this is so cute and would be so fun to tuck into like a bag flip or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this idea. Thank you so much for watching. Over in the Facebook group today, I am asking that you guys share with me your favorite sequin mixes that you've created. So definitely go over there, share your pictures so I can be amazed, and I will see you guys there. Bye.